Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to schedule WhatsApp messages on Android. First of all, open up the Play Store on your phone. Search for the Schedule It application. Once you find it, install the application and open it. You can either sign in or skip this step. Next, click on the plus icon and select WhatsApp. Now, type your message and add recipients. To proceed, enable accessibility by clicking on the SC It application and turning it on. You can also choose to enable Allo and set up a shortcut if you prefer. After that, go back to the application. Now, you can set the date and time for your message. Then, tap on Add Recipient in WhatsApp and select OK. Follow the same steps as before by choosing the chat and allowing display over other applications. Return to WhatsApp. Click OK again and select the contact. Then confirm by clicking Accept. Optionally, you can disable battery optimization or ignore the step. That's it. You have successfully scheduled a WhatsApp message. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.